Sturdy, heavy-duty measuring cup, crafted from solid, BPA-Free, food-grade borosilicate glass. This measuring cup won't warp, stain, or absorb odors and is break and heat resistant up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Oversized measurements includes bold, easy-to-read printed numbers in cups, milliliters and ounces for recipe precision, perfect for seniors and those hard of sight. Wet and dry ingredients, design with a wide opening so you can combine multiple ingredients at once in a non-drip, slanted, lipped spouts for accuracy and convenience. Easy grip handle, an ergonomic handle helps prevent spilling when pouring, great for right or left-handed use or for cooking with kids. Dishwasher safe, microwave, fridge, freezer and dishwasher safe, 2 cup, 500 milliliters, capacity. This Farberware measuring cup accurately measures wet and dry ingredients up to 2 cups. Perfect for those with troublesome eyesight or seniors. The easy-to-read, bold measurement markings are in both standard and metric units. An ergonomic handle helps prevent spilling when pouring, great for right or left-handed use or for cooking with kids. Made of non-porous, borosilicate glass that won't warp, stain, or absorb odors. Glass is preheated oven, microwave, fridge, freezer and dishwasher safe. Design with a wide opening so you can combine multiple ingredients at once and mix directly in the cup. Top reviews from the United States. I'm glad I went with a glass cup, easy to wash the grease off the cup. Plastic cups always leave a greasy residue when measuring oil and butter. The measurement levels are easy to read except when I measure Coke, the darker liquid blends into the black print.